The question of today simply is, do you FANUC? Heitec, do you FANUC?
Yes, we do. As Heitec, we have been chosen as integration partner for FANUC. To me, it means that we can really combine the expertises from FANUC on the robot side, on the ROBODRILL, for example, you can see here, with our integration expertise we have coming from machinery building, from digitalization, from automation experience for about 50 years now, and really bringing it together and making the best for our customers. I think it's great for both of us.
And how does working together influence your business positively?
Acting as an integrator for FANUC really means that we can address new customers, additional customers with our solutions, also having positive impact on the FANUC customers, providing them latest technology in automation, digitalization, like the digital twin, like virtual commissioning, and all these additional benefits one has when applying digitalization in a proper way.